Will it run?
From diesel or gas pacers to rocket-powered racers, Nomads, GoMads, RVs, schoolies, turn it, tweak it, tune it, fix it so smoothly. That's why he's Badge. Everybody needs one.
You know, we do some crazy stuff here. Well, today we sort of go off the deep end. So, our BLB gets on the, what is it, eBay or wherever it is, and finds a generator up in Lake Havasu. $300, doesn't run. Doesn't know nothing about it. Don't ask me nothing about it. I don't know nothing about it. So, of course, everybody's up for a good challenge. So I said, okay, let's go get her. So we go up there, and this is the specimen right here. Now, the guy doesn't know a thing about this. He bought it in some company he bought, and he wants $300. So I look at this thing and I say, I don't think so. I looked at it and we cranked it over, turned it on, and wouldn't do nothing. So I said, okay, Bob, offer him $200. So Bob offered him $150. He get it for $175. So we don't know nothing about this. And then his buddy with him was kind of funny because he says, I says, that thing, before we get into this $175, he says, that thing's beat up. He says, no, that's just overspray. I says, this thing is rode hard and put away wet. This thing is beat right into the ground. No, that's just the way it is. Anyway, look at here. So I take the intake off, going into the carburetor, and look at this. Look at that pile of dirt in there. It's been sucking dirt. So we're going to have to see how, if we can get it going. So what I'm going to do is take the carburetor apart, and we're going to take the carburetor apart and just see what's in there and clean it all out. So, yeah, we're just going to, Elle's going to just take some pictures as we go, and I'll clean this thing out and go as we go, and we'll see what happens and get it going. We've got gas going to it. We just have to get the, see what's going, because see, it's, I think the carburetor's all plugged up. Oh, let me turn that off. There. So, yeah, look at all the dirt right through the carburetor, right in the carburetor, like right in the, going into the engine. So, we'll see how good this thing is. I think it might be dusted myself. What I mean dusted is it's wore down so much that there's no compression. It seems like there's a little bit of compression, but we'll see. The only reason he bought it for was a case anyway, because he needs a case for the other one. So that's why we bought it, but yeah, we'll see. You know me, if it can run, we'll get it running. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know this. You know where this is gonna go. So anyway, we buy this thing and we have nothing about it. And the guy says it doesn't run, and he doesn't know nothing about it. So of course, you know, the BLB's gonna try a hamburger on it. Okay, I'll take your hamburger. So I says, well, if it ran sometime in its life, I will probably get it going. So anyway, we were here, what, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, El? Hey, El?
Yep.
And yeah, we just cleaned the carburetor out and that's why it's so loud, because the air cleaner's off. But it runs. It smokes a bit, but I knew that. So, you know, really for $175, that ain't a bad deal, Bob, I think. You know, it all runs. So he just wanted it for the case anyway. And then, of course, I had to keep this to the last, you know, because, you know, of course, it's all got overspray on it, right? So, take your rag and our trusty brake clean. Oh, look at that. It all comes off. all the overspray comes off. Well, isn't that handy? So yeah, we'll make it look, and we'll put some thicker oil in it. We'll give it a good oil change, but what can you do? It runs. What can I say? You know, put it on. Here we go. Choke.
Work badge, plug something in.
Oh. Got the trailer plugged in, right? Put on AC. There you go, 125. It runs, Al. It runs. Perfect.
Badge. Everybody needs one. We love our badge. And just remember, he's not asking.